some prototypes of the long-awaited 2026 Tesla Model to have quietly emerged, marking a new chapter in Tesla's push toward affordable, practical electric vehicles for everyday drivers. Elon Musk hinted that a production intent prototype will be ready to unveil around February or March of 2026. But insiders within Tesla's engineering team are already referring to this car as a quiet shock. It's not because of insane acceleration or top speed, but because of how it redefines the core usability and affordability of electric vehicles in the real world. For decades, drivers have struggled with the same set of problems: cramped city parking, long suburban commutes, physical discomfort during extended drives, and the constant financial friction of maintenance, charging, and ownership costs. Tesla's Model 2 has been designed to quietly address all of these, and in doing so, it might reshape how Americans think about what a budget electric car should be. The Tesla Model 2 isn't just a cheaper EV, it's a reimagining of how practical, efficient, and human-centered a car can be. The company's focus has shifted from headline-grabbing numbers like 060, acceleration, and top speed to something far more important: real-world usability. The Model 2 aims to make driving easier, safer, and less stressful for everyone, from retirees in Florida to city dwellers in Manhattan. According to early reports, one of the most clever innovations in the Model 2 lies in its door and mirror design. Tesla engineers have reportedly reduced the door swing radius by almost 20% compared to other compact EVs. This means that even in the tightest parking spots, drivers can easily enter and exit the car without bumping into walls, curbs, or other vehicles. For drivers in congested areas like Los Angeles or New York City, this is more than a convenience. It's a real-world solution to daily frustration and minor damages that cost time and money. But Tesla's attention to detail goes much further than the exterior. The company has spent an unusual amount of time optimizing the Model 2's interior ergonomics, not just for aesthetics, but for physical comfort and long-term health. Every seat, handle, and control has been designed with human biomechanics in mind. The seat height, handhold angles, and even door positioning are carefully tuned to reduce strain on joints and muscles, particularly for older drivers. For example, retirees in Florida who face mobility challenges will find it easier to get in and out of the Model 2, reducing the risk of strain or accidental falls. The interior design promotes smoother movement and a more natural seating posture, so drivers and passengers feel less fatigue even during long drives. Tesla's engineers have studied how micro-muscle tension builds up during prolonged use. Things like holding the steering wheel at an awkward angle or pressing pedals that are slightly misaligned. These small discomforts accumulate and cause tiredness. The Model 2 addresses them head-on by adjusting the steering wheel reach, seat recline, and pedal distance to minimize effort and stress. According to Human Factors research, even minor ergonomic misalignments can increase driver reaction times by up to 12%. Over long distances, a major safety concern, especially for older adults. Tesla's refinements help maintain alertness, comfort, and confidence, which directly enhances safety. Inside, Tesla also rethought how people use storage space. The Model 2's cabin features multiple hidden compartments under the seats and within panels designed not just for aesthetics but for convenience. Every inch of space has been optimized to store groceries, medical devices, or personal items without compromising legroom or comfort. Families can pack more, retirees can carry daily essentials with ease, and urban drivers can fit their lifestyle accessories in clever ways that no other EV in this price range offers. Most compact electric vehicles tend to sacrifice cabin space for battery placement or motor integration. Tesla has taken the opposite approach, rebalancing internal structure and component layout to maximize usable space while still maintaining energy efficiency and structural safety. The driving feel is another major focus. Early testers report that the Model 2's steering feedback and pedal response feel exceptionally natural and precise, making driving less tiring. Tesla's goal here isn't speed, it's effort reduction. A smoother steering response means less micro-movement strain during long commutes. And a more predictable pedal feel makes acceleration and braking easier to control. This subtle refinement reduces both physical and mental fatigue, particularly during stop-and-go traffic or highway drives. These comfort-based design choices may sound small, but they add up to something far bigger, a car that feels intuitive and stress-free to operate. For older drivers, or for those who haven't driven much in recent years, the Model 2's accessibility could make the difference between independence and inconvenience. Tesla has even optimized entry and exit lighting, door handles, and the texture of interior surfaces to make everything feel instinctive. At night, or in low-light parking lots, these details reduce fumbling and frustration, increasing both safety and user satisfaction. It's a premium feel, without a luxury price tag. Another subtle way. Tesla's redefining what affordable electric cars can be. The combined effect of all these usability improvements is clear. The Model 2 isn't designed just for EV enthusiasts or tech lovers. It's built for everyone: the daily commuter, the city resident, the retiree, and the family driver. Tesla is positioning this car as the true everyday EV, filling the gaps that competitors have ignored. But while these usability breakthroughs are immediately visible, another layer of innovation is happening beneath the surface, one that might be even more transformative. Tesla is introducing what experts call hidden cost advantages. These are the subtle engineering and design decisions that quietly save owners money year after year. Without them even realizing it, most car makers emphasize visible selling points, performance, range, screen size, but Tesla's strategy for the Model 2 goes deeper. Focusing on reducing the long-term total cost of ownership, every nut, bolt, and weld has been designed to minimize material waste, manufacturing complexity, and maintenance costs. The first hidden cost advantage lies in the car's structure. Tesla has redesigned the Model 2's internal frame using a new lightweight, high-strength alloy strategy. Instead of adding extra support components for safety, which add weight and material costs, Tesla's engineers distributed structural stress more intelligently. The result is a chassis that's up to 15% lighter than those of typical compact EVs. While maintaining equal or better crash safety, this weight reduction improves energy efficiency, meaning the car travels further per charge without needing a bigger or more expensive battery. Over time, that means less electricity used, fewer charging stops, lower overall operating costs, all achieved without sacrificing performance. For drivers in large urban areas like Los Angeles or Dallas, this translates into real-world savings that accumulate every month. The second hidden layer comes from mechanical and maintenance efficiency. Tesla is optimizing the placement of wiring harnesses, fluid routing, and component positioning. Each part is placed not just for convenience but for durability. The reduced friction, vibration, and heat exposure mean parts degrade more slowly, and service intervals stretch further apart. Owners will make fewer visits to service centers, saving both time and money. These design improvements also make maintenance itself easier. When a repair or inspection is needed, technicians can access components faster and more efficiently. That means shorter service times and lower labor costs, small savings that add up significantly over years of ownership. The third layer of cost efficiency lies in what Tesla engineers call component lifespan alignment. In traditional cars, various systems like brakes, electronics, and suspension degrade at different rates, creating scattered and unpredictable repair costs. The Model 2 synchronizes the lifespan of key components so that major maintenance needs occur at the same time, reducing both inconvenience and cumulative expenses. Over a 5-year period, this approach could save thousands of dollars. Especially valuable for retirees or households with fixed budgets. Beyond mechanical improvements, Tesla is also refining how the car uses and conserves energy. Subtle adjustments to aerodynamics, tire rolling resistance, and thermal management all contribute to higher efficiency. For example, better airflow around the body reduces drag. Lower resistance tires improve mileage, and optimized cooling systems prevent unnecessary energy loss during both hot and cold weather driving. All of these details combine to deliver more usable range per charge, not through a larger battery, but through smarter energy management. The result is a car that performs efficiently without the price tag or environmental cost of oversized batteries. This approach quietly disrupts how EV affordability is defined. Instead of chasing flashy range numbers, Tesla is designing for the total experience, practical usability, comfort, and ownership economics. The Model 2 doesn't just cost less upfront. It's cheaper to run, easier to maintain, and more durable over time. That's why Tesla engineers and analysts believe this car could be a true tipping point, not only making EVs accessible to a wider range of Americans, but making them genuinely practical and financially sensible for everyday use. It's a subtle revolution, engineered through small, thoughtful innovations that add up to massive long-term value in the grand